Alright folks, TV 23 up. I got a RCA TV down the bottom. This will be technically TV 24, but we'll just count it as one ski. RCA on the bottom, Sylvania VCR TV on the top. I'm going to smash this one in a little bit different way. I'm going to smack from the top. Didn't really do too much damage on that. Let's go for the XL100. Put her like that and smash her upside down this time. I'll smack my cord. Both just fell out. I usually bust this piece out as small pieces as I can. Like that. Pretty much takes care of that piece. Bring this over here. Lock her up a little bit. Yeah, we're getting down to the last of them, folks. Getting down to the last. Saving a few teeth, that's about it. Saving a few of them. They're already selling flat screens at garage sales anyway for like 15 bucks. Holy shit, that's pretty cheap. Pretty cheap for a flat screen, $15. Freaking pieces. Flip over. Here's the part so you can see the inside of a VCR. I have a little bit of aluminum in that thing. Alright, so what we're going to have, not too thick of a wire on that one, but I'm still going to strip it. Got my yoke with the copper. Bunch of other shit. A little bit more wire there. This one's got a VCR in it. Gonna have some aluminum there. Got my cord. Little copper bearing motor. Oh yeah, got a copper bearing motor. This is what you don't want to mess with, is that little capacitor right there. Got another TV yoke right there. Another piece of wire. Another metal TV frame. Some more metal. TV number 23 and a half down. Oh yeah.